Alright, round. Let's go for, let's mix up the teams. Mix up the teams. Mix up the teams. Okay. What the fuck? Did you I just heard a very faint wee, and I just saw Wolf just blast off into space. It's fucking weird shit right now. I'm serious.
You just knocked me off that Wolf.
It's like 1 a.m. and I just saw Wolf go wee.
Leo, it's precisely 1:10 a.m. Thanks.
Fuck yeah. Alright, let me add all these peoples.
Don't add ISO though, I don't think he's really here. I think he's just sitting there.
Wolferno X. Celvestian Prime, because he's AFK, but oh fuck. Celvestian Prime. Let's add him. Let's add him. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, time to start the next round, boys. Wolf, I swear to never mind. Okay, let's start.
I don't, you're...
Give me that fucking ball, Wolf. Give me the I'm trying to suppress the rage. It's burning inside me like a roaring wildfire.
No, let the rage exist, okay?
Just let me touch the
no,
ball.
I got this, look.
I got this. Give me the fucking... Okay, fine.
Okay, alright.
Touch the ball.
Give me some space.
Okay, I'm giving you some space. Touch the fucking ball. Touch the fucking ball. Touch the fucking ball. You fucking idiot, touch the fucking ball. Oh my god. Oh my... Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't even go anywhere. Fucking let me do it.
No.
Give me my Pokeballs.
You're not my dad.
Give me my fuck. Oh my, you fuck. I hate you all. Give me that ball. Give me it, Wolfie. Fucking give me the... Okay. Okay. I'm suppressing my... No!
I literally just rode the ball, and I ran into Wolf.
You're so fucking lucky I was here. Otherwise, I would have strangled you to the other ends of Antarctica if that went into my goal. I swear. I swear on me, Mom.
3, 2,
No.
1.
No! It wasn't. It glitched into your own goal, you fucking idiot. It glitched into your own goal.
How did that happen?
That's what you deserve for breaking my balls.
I did.
Ooh, that was a nice block. Give me that fucking... Oh, what the fuck? You shut the hell up. Why is it going the other way? Why? Oh. My head. No, he's dying. Oh my god. Okay, let me get the ball. Boom! Fuck. Oh my. You fucking serious? You serious? What is this horse shit?
You suck so much.
Okay, that's just pure luck right there. Okay, see, now he's dead. Now hit the ball. Hit the fucking... Oh, as soon as it touches... No! Oh, as soon as it touches fucking Wolf, it goes... Wee! It sends up to fucking space.
There's like... Wolf is like the negative side.
Oh, it's going into the goal! Yes! Oh! That's what I call a rage boner. I hate you all.
Yeah, no, bad.
No! Oh my god. What did you do?
What are you smoking today?
What did you do?
I'm the Okage.
It's his Ebola. The ball doesn't like his Ebola.
Oh my... Yes, it curved it.
What?
It curved.
The ball is scared of Ebola. Okay?
The ball is scared of us. What? What the fuck am I witnessing? Oh my god, it's gonna go. Oh, Wolf! Yes, shoot it. in. Shoot it. No!
What the hell just happened? Wolf, you little hoe.
Alright, you know what? You know what? I'm gonna shoot this fuck. No! Oh my, what the fuck?
Hi.
Shut up! Shut up. I'm gonna
Hey,
shoot it
Leo,
in.
remember that time when you hit it the wrong way?
I will beat you senseless. Alright, where's the fucking ball? Okay, oh, that worked. That worked. It worked. I killed them. It worked. Okay, I just started spinning Yes!
No.
How did that even work? I do not know.
That's it. That's it. You know what? I'm doing it again. Doing it again.
You do not fucking touch my ball, you piece of shit. I will beat you senseless with a fucking pickle. Give me my
I
ball.
really hope this is all on YouTube.
Give me a
God.
fucking Give me a fuck.
The curve. The curve. No.
Yes, no curve for you. You can't even English right now.
12. 11.
Curve it. Someone curve it. We're not gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Hurry.
Whoa! Great last inning.
Oh god. Oh god. I am going to die. I am going to die. And I hate you all. I hate you all. I hate you all very much.